Lesson 35. Tools. A drill. So you take your L and you just go up and down. Drill. Okay. Weld, which is melting two pieces of metal together. You're going to take your drill and go out. Weld. Okay. A welder. There you go. Incompetent, you're going to take incompetent. Okay. Incompetent welder means he said he's a welder. He can't do it. He has no idea what he's doing. He's incompetent. Okay. Hammer. You're just going to hammer it down with your hand. Hammer. Okay. Screwdriver. You have a U and we're going to twist it. Okay. Pliers. Open, close. Open, close. So it's like a pair of pliers. Okay. Saw. Grab hold and we're going to saw. Wood. Wood. Okay. Saw the wood. Then we have metal. It's an X and it pops out underneath. Metal. Okay. Plastic is plastic because it's flexible. Okay. We have a rubber, like a rubber band. Oxygen. We put an oxygen mask on. Okay. Now, porcelain or glass, you're actually going to tap your teeth. Plug. Okay. You need to plug in the lamp. Remember electricity? Good. What was that one? Measure. Now we have technical. For all of these, you need to have technical skills. Now, sign. The sign said stop. What was this? Post. Okay. Now, telescope or a microscope. You need sometimes to look at a microscope. You're going to wiggle your fingers and go down for a microscope. Telescope goes up. Okay. Magnet. Take your number 8 and it's going to come right into your hand. Magnet. So what happens if you put the negative and the negative? It's not going to go together. It's just not. Okay? Now, experiment is the same sign for science, but with an E. Experiment. Sometimes it's fun to experiment with like plastic or metal to see what you can make. Then you analyze it. Okay? You're going to do the experiment. You're going to analyze what came out and go, okay, what can I change to make it better? Good. Develop. Develop. Okay? You need to develop a better way to fix, okay? F-I-X or fix the wooden house.